Welcome back to another challenge video. I am on a mission to beat Bree at one of these challenge games. I'm down quite a bit. Today we're doing the classic Coca-Cola and Mentos with a little bit of a twist. We're going to stick 4 of these under this box. They're random, they're taped up, we don't know which one it is. One of them is Coca-Cola. Whoever hits the Coke gets a nice little surprise and gets the W. So let's get started. Cokes are under the box. Bree's going first and she's the current champion of these games. Make your choice.
I'm gonna go with...
Down.
Oh my god.
Nope. Yeah, I think they all want it.
Oh my god.
I'm scared. Which one should I choose? I'm gonna go with the front. Ready?
Is it go?
Okay, I think we're good. Alright, you're up.
Oh,
50-50 shot.
This is
it.
tough. Okay, well, this is the one that I kind of felt first, so I'm gonna go with my gut. Let me get the things ready.
Try to open it.
If you want to. I can smell it.
There may have been a slight pop in that, which probably means it's Coke and another L for Iven. Ready? Okay, go. A mess. Another W for Bree. So let's move on to the second game. Still got 2, I can still win. Second game. We have 2 cups in here. Bree made a secret drink and put them in one of these. I don't know which one is which. One of them has Coke. One of them has a secret drink. If I hit the secret drink, I win. But also it's kind of a punishment. So do I really want to win this? I'm already down 1 from the Mentos experiment. Barney? Alright, I'm going for this one. It's Coke! Alright, so technically I didn't win, but also I didn't get the punishment. So, Bree, leave the room. Alright, Bree, I'm ready. Don't look, don't look. Alright, pick.
I'm stressed.
How bad do you want to win this?
I don't know what's winning for me. Like, okay. I still feel like I'm winning.
Nope.
Because I knew that you were gonna be like, she's gonna think I'm switching it up. So I'm just gonna put the Coke here. I'm really not switching it up. So you thought I was definitely gonna pick this one because you were like, okay, I'm gonna switch around the cups. It was reverse psychology.
So, third round, we're gonna leave it up to chance. We're gonna flip a coin for it to see who drinks. Do you want heads or tails? Tails. Ready?
Okay, oh my god. No, I already have a bag.
Okay, we'll redo that.
Oh my god.
Again.
Maybe you should just look at it. You should just look at it. You're shaking.
Ready? No!
Don't just take little baby sips.
How do I always end up with the bad drinks? So you're telling me what it is afterwards?
It's whatever you want. The fact that you had a little piece of garlic on your tongue when you did it made it way better.
Ugh. Ew, what was in there?
I put lime juice, mustard, garlic.
Ugh.
I put a little bit of cocktail sauce, mustard, and Worcestershire sauce.
One more time. Tails, Bree goes. Heads, I take a second gulp. Tails! Take a sip. Take a sip of your own disgusting drink. 2, 1, go. I want to see garlic in your mouth. Ew. Did she take a sip? Let me know down below because you guys can see.
I didn't
Take a sip. Where's the garlic? Did she take a sip?
Ew! Smell my breath!
So technically I won this round. We're 1-1. Alright, let's head to the last game.
You drank all the Coke?
Yeah, that was disgusting. Stay tuned. Final game. 1-1. Kind of a similar game. We're gonna torture each other by eating some disgusting food. We have cookies. However, these cookies in here, 2 of them have some secret ingredients.
Salt.
Salt. So they're not gonna be good. Whoever chooses the salt cookie wins. We're gonna spin it. Make sure we don't know what is what. So I'll let you pick first.
I'll pick this one.
I will take this one. Alright. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one? Did I get the bad one? This definitely already looks like it's the bad one. Ew. Yeah, it's full of salt.
Technically, you won.
I won!
But the real question is he really the winner, or am I still the winner even after all that?
That was
because
disgusting.
who wants to drink nasty drinks and eat salty cookies? Nobody. So I'm still the winner, as far as I'm concerned.
This win goes out to all my believers out there, to all of those who sit behind the screen cheering Iven, Iven. My biggest fan, Mrs. Kinney, always believed in me, always commenting that I can win. This one's for you. Now I'm on a mission to catch Breeze and win, so definitely like and subscribe. Let us know down in the comments what other kind of challenges you want us to do, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace out.
Okay, alright.